Hello guys, this is stop contact extension. This electric tool can be used as a connecting tool between the socket and your electronic device. In addition to functioning as an extension socket, an extension socket can also increase the number of sockets in one room. Stop contact extension actually has the same function as an electrical socket. However, this one electric tool has a more specific function. Usually, electrical sockets are used to connect electricity to electronic devices at home such as TV, telephone, Wi-Fi, and others. That's all from me, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dion Ismedi Febrian. Here I will introduce the power cord. If this power cable has current, then it shall not be held, because when you hold it, the body will convulse. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Rian Maulana Saputra. I will explain about MCB. Mini circuit breaker or electrical MCB is an electromagnetic device capable of protecting electrical installation from current and short circuit. When the electric current drops, the MCB exceeds the maximum limit, the MCB protection component will automatically cut off electricity. That is all, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yudio Budiman from the major of Electrical Engineering, Class 8. And in this video, I want to tell you about tools used by electrical workers. And next, I will introduce a tool. One of them, the name is soldering iron. This solder is a type of work tool that serves to connect a component in electronic equipment. The way solder work is heating or melting tin with the aim of making the process easier to connect a component. There are also two types. First, the name is ordinary soldering iron, and second, the name is steam soldering. Soldering and their use is also different. Thank you to watch video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, how are you today? In my video this time, I will example about electrical plug. Maybe all of my friends are familiar with this electrical plug. This electrical plug is very easy to find example of at home. Of course, this electrical plug works as a conductor of electrical current to electronic device in our home, or device that use electric current such as phone charger, cooking rice, heating water, and so on. This power plug make it easy for us to divide the electrical current into our electronic device. And one more important thing, don't touch it. They part in the hole because you will be electrocuted later. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, today I want to explain a tool that is a screwdriver. Do you know what a screwdriver? Screwdriver is a tool used to tighten bolts. So there are many types of screwdriver such as flat screwdriver, flower screwdriver, and many more. So this screwdriver is one of the tools used by electrical engineer. So that short explain from me. See you.
Hello everyone, today I want to introduce a tool that is plier. This tool works in electrical engineering to cutting cable, making cable winding, opening cable, and so on. Thank you and see you again.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Retnudinata, Muhammadiyah University of West Sumatra, majoring in electrical engineering. Here I will explain the benefit of fiber cables. The fiber cable can withstand tremendous vibration and flexibility without becoming hard and eventually breaking. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Randy Rizkullah and today I will introduce a tool. This is a kWh meter. The abbreviation of the kWh meter is kilowatt hour meter. The meaning kilowatt meter is a tool or to measure total use electrical energy in a certain place. In other words, the tool is a benchmark how much electricity bills you have to pay. Okay guys, this is a vlog, a short vlog. Thanks to watch my short vlog. Don't forget to be happy and smile.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, here I will give a little information about the benefits of the socket. So the function of the socket is to become broken when there is contact between negative or positive currents. There is a connecting terminal between electric currents and useful electronics devices. Can we take an example? Charger the handphone as a demonstrate this. Then there is also to chocolate watching television, and thanks for its many more uses. Okay friends, maybe that's the information for me. Happy full, it is useful. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, I will explain about tin junction. What actually is a soldering tin junction tool? Haha, be patient. Before looking at the picture, I'll explain a little. Soldering tin junction tool has various forms, but the point is, it's only for shacking up in function. Don't worry, what's being shacked up? Yes, of course, the tin that has melted and the terminal between the leg of the electronic component and the PCB. There are suction tools that are manual, and now there are also tools that use electric power. The striking difference between the manual soldering tin aspirator and the electric soldering tin aspirator actually lies in the solder. The manual one, we need to use solder to melt the tin or thinol, but the electric one, we no longer need to use solder because it is already integrated in the tin extractor there. How to use a soldering tin junction tool? The use of a soldering tin junction is also relatively easy. First, press the end of the switch stem until it is close to the reset switch button position. The point is at the tin or solder that we have heated until it meets with solder. Leave the soldering tip and then we simulation glue the suction tip or suction tin To use center point to the solder, and together we press the reset with bottom.
Guys, this is solder. It is an indispensable tool for an electronic technician. Solder function is to connect a circuit or component in electronic equipment. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Agyufa Ansar. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Sumatera Barat. I'm electrical program studi BP21. This time I will introducing you the multimeter. Multimeter is an electrical measuring instrument that's used to measure the three type electrical quantities, namely electric current, electric voltage, and electrical resistance. Another name for a multimeter is aviometer, which stands for ampere, volt, and ohm unit. In addition, a multimeter, also called a multitester. The multimeter can use for the direct current electrical measurement as well alternating current electrical measurements. That's all from me. Thanks for watching and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Ikon Fauzi. I come from Bogor. I am an electrical engineering student at Muhammadiyah campus of Sumatera Barat. Here I will explain one of the electrical components that are used in electronic devices in the household. That is the transformer, which is then converted into low voltage, and transformer is an electrical device that is used to exchange current and voltage in circuit without affecting the total electric power. This means that it takes Higgs voltage, electricity which either current or vice versa. Transformers are usually used in electronic items we use very time because there are so many functions. Maybe there's a little explanation from my iPod transformer. A lot of errors. I'm sorry. Electrical engineering success printing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Al-Hafiz Rahmatan Lil Alamin. I will introduce a tool called a multimeter. A multimeter is an electrical measurement instrument that is used to measure three types of electrical quantities, namely electrical current, electrical voltage, and electrical resistance. Another name for a multimeter is aviometer, which stands for ampere, volt, and ohm units. In addition, multimeter are also called a multimeter. Multimeter are divided into two types, namely analog multimeter and digital multimeter. The difference between an analog multimeter and digital multimeter lies in the level of accuracy of the measurement values obtained. The multimeter can be used for direct current electrical measurement as well as alternating current electrical measurement. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The item I will explain is a switch. The use of the switch itself is to turn off and turn on the lights. Even though not many people are using automatic switches, they are still dominantly manual and cost effective. Sorry, If there are words that are wrong, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yong Irmanto. Today I will show of you an electrical socket. This is electrical socket. The electrical socket working to delivery electrical currents. Any electrical device and appliance and whatever must be able to tell power outlet. On the socket there is band, the band where we can connect that an electrical current. I usually use it to charge my cell phone and the cook rice, and many more used for socket to everyday life. Okay, that's all maybe about the socket. My name is Yong Irmanto. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Okay guys, I introduce my name Yomil Afdal. This time I will introduce this thing. Yes, KWH meter. KWH meter functional as most of the amount of clay. Current is for me. Thank you.
The function of the socket is to become a breaker when there is contact between negative, positive, and grounding currents in the installation of your home electrical component. In fact, the socket can also cut off the electric current when there is contact between the human body and electricity. Thanks.
Hi guys, this is an electric switch usually used to connect or disconnect electricity at home. In simple language, this switch functions to turn off the time on the lights. That's my explanation about the switch. See you next time.
Hi everyone, introduce my name Rahmatul Anissa. I will explain about the cable. The electric cable is a medium for conduction electric currents. Electrical cable consists of insulator and conductor. Conductor are made of copper or aluminum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kabel, from that's kabel. From Latin, capulum meaning is rope. Is a device used to transmit signal from one place to another. Kabel, along with its development from time to time, consists of various types and sizes that distinguish one another. Based on the type, the cable is divided into three, namely copper cable, coaxial cable or axial cable, and fiber optic cable.
This is clamp. Generally, these components are often used in harsh conditions such as outdoor wiring or wiring in factories. So the clamps are specially designed to have a long lifetime. The function of this component is to make cable neat so they don't fall apart. The use of cable clamp can also make the installation more robust.
Introduce, my name is Rifal Sunja, and today I will introduce a tool about electricity, namely contact socket. The function of the socket is to become a breaker when three is contact between negative, positive, and grounding current in the installation home electrical component. Thank you for watching my short vlog, and high voltage brings greeting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Zemba Uzia Fabila, Electrical Engineering. Okay, this time I will make a vlog about the power plug. Plug types, maybe you know the name of this electrical accessory with an electrical plug. There is nothing wrong with that, however, the electric tool has a name, namely a plug. Its function is a conductor of electricity to another place or circuit. The plug or power plug is one of the mandatory tools we have at home because it functions to drain electricity. Usually this one electric tool is installed at the end of the cable to drain electric current from electronic goods to the socket. The plug itself has many types, which we often know as legs 2, legs 3, and so on. How to use the plug? It's quite easy. If the plug has been attached to the cable, then just plug it in where there are 2 holes according to the direction. That's it. If there is no cable, then you have to do installation first. The trick is to unscrew the bolt or nut to open the protective surface, then loosen the cable fixing for bolt, and then connect each cable according to its place and then tighten it. To make it easier, make sure the color of the cable is not the same. Use different colors of wires to be connected or attached to each other between the mounting bolt. Usually this one electric tool is installed at the end of the cable to drain electric current from electronic goods to the socket. The plug itself has many types which we often know as leg 2, leg 3, and so on. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.